Hi guys, welcome to another Pilates workout. In this workout, we will be targeting our full body. And you will need a pair of socks to do this. And of course, if you don't have, it's okay. There will be some modifications. We will start with some activations. Imagine squeezing your shoulder blades in and then exhale to push your shoulder blades out. Now we will be doing cat-cow. Inhale when you extend your spine and then exhale when you roll your belly. But I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. Cause now you If you're not wearing a pair of socks right now, you can simply just step forward and then step back in a plank position.
what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not you, don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven you and only me.
Guys, we are done. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I wish you have a good day. I will see you soon in my next workout video. Love you!